team owners, ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries on the dais, and friends. First of all, let me say it's a pleasure to be part of this team. When I was actually asked to coach this team, I was pretty excited because I've not really been involved with Tamil Nadu cricket for a while, especially after I stopped playing cricket. So for me, it's an opportunity to put this team on the map and to ensure that we have a lot of young cricketers here getting an opportunity to actually present themselves in a forum or on a big stage so that they have an opportunity to make it to the next level. We were actually having a press conference earlier, and one of the questions that was asked to me was, what do you think of these young cricketers? I think this is probably about the ideal platform for most of the young guys who have not got an opportunity from the small towns or the districts as well, and even the guys in the city, to actually show what they can do on a stage that's really competitive in environments, as Ella said earlier, that you need to perform on the big stage and really and truly in situations that are quite demanding and expectations are pretty high. Franchise cricket is a little different to probably playing for a state, for a country. Obviously, owners expect you to win. Some owners are extremely demanding. I've been involved in IPL, so we know what it's all about. And I think, as Ella said earlier, and probably aptly said, that it's about really being able to handle pressure. But more importantly, it's about being yourself, being out there to express yourself, and taking up the challenge, taking up an opportunity. It's an opportunity that will present itself at any given point in time. And sometimes you really don't know where it's coming from, and it just happens. So all I'd like to say is that thanks for the support, and I'm pretty sure that with Badri at the helm and with the guys around, the sort of work that we have done, the staff, the people who have on the background, the support staff, everyone around who has tried to make everything possible for us till now. Thank you very much for your support, and I'm pretty sure we will not disappoint you. Thank you very much.
I think they have done a good job off the field. நிஜமாக ரொம்ப டிமாண்டிங்காக இருந்தது ஆக்சுவலி டான்ஸ்லாம் பண்ணுறது. பட் பசங்க we had a good time. It was a good laughter, good fun. ஆக்சுவலி எங்களுக்கு ஒரு டீம் பாண்டிங் செஷன் மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு. ஆக்சுவலி we had awesome fun in காரைக்குடி. And actually நீங்கள் தான் சொல்லணும் எப்படி ஆக்சுவலி டான்ஸ்லாம் அப்படி.
நீங்க வந்து அப்படியே நடந்து வர ஸ்டைல பார்க்கும்போது எஜமான் படத்துல சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் நடந்து வருவாரு அந்த சாங் போது அப்படி பயங்கரமா இருந்துச்சு அது பாக்குறதுக்கு. சோ அதுதான் நீங்க ஃபீல் பண்ணி தலைவர் மாதிரி நடக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நடந்தீங்களா?
ஆமா அவன் சொன்னதே அப்படிதான். எஜமா வாக் சார் இந்த வாட்டி எஜமா வாக் பண்ணிடுங்க அப்படின்னா சரி ட்ரை பண்றேன் அப்படின்னு தான் பண்ணேன்.
சோ நீங்க ஒரு பெரிய சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் ஃபேன் அப்படின்னு தெரியுது. சோ அதனால இந்த கேள்வி கேக்குறேன். உங்களோட டீம் வந்து எப்படி பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ண போகுது அப்படிங்கறத ஒரே வார்த்தையில சொல்லணும்னா எப்படி சொல்வீங்க?
ஒரே வார்த்தையில சொல்லணும்னா
சார்
ஒரே வார்த்தையில டீமை டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணோம்னா நெருப்புடா.
பயங்கரமா இருக்கு. இந்த டான்ஸ்லயே வந்து எந்த ஒரு ஸ்டெப் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப டஃப்பா இருந்துச்சு?
எல்லாமே டஃப்பா தான் இருந்தது. ஆனா எங்க டீம்ல கணபதியும் ஒருத்தர் இருக்காரு. அவர் வந்து சூப்பரா ஆடுவார் டான்ஸ். அவர் கூட கூட இங்க ஆடுவார் ஆக்சுவலி.
எஸ் அவர் ஆட வைக்கலாமா? ப்ளீஸ். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி முதல்ல வந்து நம்ம எல்லா காலேஜ்லயும் இன்வைட் பண்ணி பாத்துடலாம்.
Team co-owner Mr. Ashwin Natesan, COO Mr. Shankapani, and I'd like to also say Mr. M.A.M.R. Muthaya, who's obviously not here. But everybody would have been surprised that Chettinad Group have taken a TNPL team. But Mr. M.A.M.R. Muthaya has always been interested in cricket. I remember going with Mr. Muthaya and Suresh to Karur, where they have an institution. They had a lovely cricket ground. They still have that. In fact, I was the chief guest on Sunday for the annual day of the Karur District Cricket Association, when I spoke about my trip with Mr. Muthaya about 12 years ago, if I'm right. It was 12 years ago when he took me there to coach the youngsters for about 3 days. That showed that he had great passion for the game, even a long time back. As Mr. Rajamani mentioned, a lot of people would have thought about Chettinad Cement bidding for an IPL team, trying to get into prominence, and now for the TNPL team, which they successfully done. But the passion for the game has always been there with this group. The passion for sport has always been there, and the passion for cricket is now coming in, which is a very, very, very good sign. And I was quite heartened by the speech of the owner when he mentioned that he is going to have these activities going all year round. Continuity is so very important. And he also mentioned the average age is 35. I am 50, Robin Singh is around my age, by the Chettinad group of having a team. And also from what I hear from what you spoke about encouraging young talent, bringing up young talent, the emergence of talent from the districts is something that we look forward to. And the great news that I would have liked everybody to give a standing applause is getting another cricket ground in Karaikudi. And I hope the TNPL in the future years will stage some games there. So, on behalf of myself, as a dear friend of Mr. M.M.R. Muthaiah, and also close friend of the group, and on behalf of the Governing Council of the Tamil Nadu Premier League, of which I am a member, it's a great honor for me to be able to be present at this function. And when Mr. Sankapani called me, I didn't even have to think. For me, it was a family function, and I had to be here. I take this opportunity to wish the team all the very best. Also, Mr. Rajamani mentioned they might be rated as the underdogs by the others, but never underestimate a side where there is Robin Singh. Robin Singh played at a time when there was a lot of competition for the Indian team. And I would think after Kapil Dev, probably he was the all-rounder who played a significant part in the one-dayers. He played a test match. He should have played a lot more cricket than he actually did. But I played a lot of cricket with Robin Singh for Tamil Nadu and for India Pistons in the league. And he's a hard taskmaster. He wants to achieve something really big. So I think the team is in very, very good hands in terms of coach. And as a captain, you have a very experienced captain, a balanced captain, who's always used under pressure in the IPL. So Badrinath will rise up to the occasion. He'll be a guiding force for the team. One thing I'd like to mention in particular, where I think Robin might agree with me when he speaks. T20, people think it's about slam bang cricket, action bang cricket. Yes, it is. It is entertainment, it's cricketainment. But the ability to act under pressure in a longer duration game, even a 50-over game, a bowler will get to bowl 10 overs, maybe in 2 spells. But in a T20 game, it's 4 overs for a bowler, and the batsman doesn't have too much longer to bat if the run rate is going up. T20 cricket is all about pressure. The 20 overs that you play is all about pressure, and the side that handles the pressure better will come out as winners. So I'm sure the Robin Singh and Badrinath will handle the boys extremely well. So the shortened game is not all about slam bang cricket. It's about acting to pressure, reacting to pressure instantaneously. One good over can win you the game, one bad over can lose you the game. So the temperamental skills will also be tested as far as the cricketers are concerned. And the way in which the Tamil Nadu Premier League has been launched, and the way in which the team owners, all the team owners have responded in launching their sides and having a grand function, gives us an indication how serious they are about the cricket that's going to be played over the next 4 weeks. I take this opportunity in wishing my friends in the Chettinad group and the boys. I spent a little bit of time with Anuruddha in the middle. He was teaching me how to play golf, so I'm sure he's going to hit a lot of balls out of the park. And I'm sure your team, the Karaikudi Kalais, are going to have a wonderful TNPL, not only in this year, but years to come. Thanks for inviting me for this function, and I would like to wish your team and your group all the very best. Thank you.